Hello everyone, this is Maria Jessica Tombega, and today we will going to perform a return demonstration about the abdomen and renal. So now, before we begin, we need to introduce ourselves to the patient, provide a privacy, and we need to perform a hand hygiene. And also, we need to discuss to the patient what we will do para pud kabalo sila kung unsa ilang buhat. Hello sir, I am Nurse Jessica. Today I will going to examine your abdomen and your renal. Before we proceed, I will going to perform hand hygiene. As lang na ako, sir, if yung imong last bowel movement.
Yesterday, ma'am.
Nagkaagi ba ka abdominal pain before, sir?
Last month, ma'am, pero kadyo naman po ito.
Nagkaagi ka nga, nagkaon ka tapos nagsakit ang tiyan.
Wala man, ma'am.
Pwede ba ka mong higa, sir? For inspection, we need to inspect abdomen for skin integrity, for contour and symmetry, and to observe abdomen movement. Sir, pwede ka na ko ipataas yung sa need, sir? Hindi ba ka maginawa, sir, o lalong? They have that yet. In auscultation, we need to auscultate the abdomen for bowel movement sounds and vascular sounds. Sir, mangkay na po. Mangkay pulse lang po, sir, ha? Okay na ba, sir? Pag-usap na ako ba, sir, ha? Napakagita ka po ang sakit, sir? Or mga discomfort? So that's for all about my return demonstration in assessing abdomen and renal. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.